In the last video, Professor Khaled Nasr mentioned that soybean meal and corn are conventional feed ingredients in poultry feed in Egypt. But the availability of feedstuffs for poultry nutrition nowadays is becoming more competitive. So the alternative feedstuffs that replace corn and soybean meal need to be paid attention to. What kinds of alternative feedstuffs can be used to replace corn and soybean meal? What anti-nutritional factors are present in these alternative feed ingredients? Professor Khaled Nasr from Cairo University explains.
Many alternatives for the yellow corn. Among of them, barley, wheat, white corn, sorghums, oats, millets, wheat bran, DDGS, broken rice, broken wheat, potato peel and potatoes, dried orange peel, dried pomegranate peel, dry processed grains, many alternatives. Also for soya bean meal, we have groundnut cake or peanut cake, sesame, cottonseed meal, sunflower meal, peas, algae, and azola. But we have many anti-nutritional factors. Among of them, mycotoxins, phytate phosphorus, non-starch polysaccharides, antitrypsin factors, tannins.
Professor Khaled Nasr mentioned in this video the anti-nutritional factors of alternative feed ingredients such as mycotoxins, NSP, phytate phosphorus, etc. So what kinds of nutrition booster can be used to improve the nutrient utilization of non-conventional feedstuffs in poultry feeds? Stay tuned for our next video.